sister, may I first clear one thing because I start listening from the beginning when brother start to the narrate the story about the issue of how your late husband go. So that thing when you say the red liquid conde in nose and ear is normal, okay? Because it happened to my brother-in-law too. Because when person buy for that kind heart thing, because some vessels for inside the body, so it go be like say na bleeding, internal bleeding, so it go red water, red liquid, it go everywhere, okay? So if they tell you that is what happened, that is what happened. So don't bother yourself. It wasn't your fault. You didn't do anything. And I'm sorry, condolences late. Anyway. So wetin I wan ask be say, why e be say most of us, most of my people, my gender, you mommy, you get three. Abi yes, you get three. Why you go bring man inside your house? Eh? Why you go bring man inside your house? To come dey disturb your children. E no good na. Eh? Okay, see, and most of them now they'll come. Maybe the kind so most of the evening now you with your children sit down for parlor now they eat popcorn, eat pizza, eat all the rubbish one and one eat una laugh together. When this idiot go come inside your house, now you no go come get that peace again because he want attention from you. Eh? Wetin sister Happy talk just now? Na that one be the true sense. If the thing dey scratch you, tell the person make e pay one hotel room, make you go there, go do your thing, come house, clean your mouth, wash am. Eh? No dey bring these people come house, come destabilize your sanity, the peace wey dey your home. Person wey get courage tell you say he go divide bill with children. Are you okay? Are you okay? Na that place you for know say this one no be human being. He no go even fit take care of himself. Eh? And in all this, you're still cooking for him. You were still cooking for him, and I think if I follow the story very well, that he's no longer living there. Fine. But even before he left, he called beef for you. You were still being the good wife. For what now? For waiting. Make it comot. Abeg, send am go whether na Sabisa forest, wherever e come from. May e go dey pray for that side. May e go. Oh shit. Abeg our sisters. If we don't, e get wetin this our brother dey talk. He go say, if we be single parent, mistake and us na 5 and 6. It is true, we should use our brain logically. Make we no dey put the thing when e don dey scratch us for inside that place. Make we no dey use that one take dey control our head. Make we dey think radically, critically, as in any move wey you wan make, you go put am for table, write am. See this thing, see this one. If I do this one, what will happen? If I do this one, what will happen? Eh? May e no come spoil those children for you now. Because I'm very sure if he asking you for bill on those children, I'm very sure he's not being nice to those children too. You no go dey nice to those children because himself, he no like himself, he no go fit give wetin he no get. Abeg our sister, you now, your own now, I dey talk and get one story wey I wan be contribute that the network no let me. You go carry back, go buy Oza now.
Sorry, I was on meeting. The meeting we just closed. I'm so sorry, okay, for keeping everybody quiet. I was on meeting, okay. Thank you all, Tumana. Thank you very much for coordinating the platform on my behalf. Thank you all of you also for coordinating yourself. I really appreciate it. Thank you all. So Moku, continue.
So you get what I lost my train of thought. But whatever, brother, he go say if the person, if you know fit make una drive and comot, na 5 or 6 will be for mistake. So this thing now, that day I was trying to contribute that if woman, if you don't born, the moment when that seed start to dey grow inside our body, we are in the second place. Now those children be our priority in everything. a mother, papa fit run comot, but mama, na you, na those children know. No matter what, you should prioritize your children, their safety, their mental health also. No let person come spoil even some of them, they sit there and go, yo, this your pikin sef no dey respect me. You go tell am, well, how you take dey treat am when you go say my children no dey respect you? No be say you go dey shout for your children for in front of the person. Ask am, wetin, are you nice to these children? Because children, na wetin you give them, then they give back to you. Na wetin you give them, then go give back to you. They are innocent, they are clean slate, na children be. So sisters, whoever is here now hearing our voice, I know say na rubbish I dey talk. If you no enter una brain, abeg, if e happen say you are alone with your children, no bring any mongo pack enter house, abeg. If the thing dey scratch, you get one sister one day, she say make you go use cold water wash am, the feelings go die for there. Amazon dey there, buy. Or if you no fit say na natural you dey find, go hotel and make sure you no get pregnant. Protect yourself, abeg. Na that one I wan talk. And about that money, oh yeah, which sister Dorothy, she go start to dey talk small later, she go give you gboza. See, if we calculate the money when this guy don eat for your hand, you know, e pass 50,000 euro. So if he saying wise, make you analyze everything. If possible, go meet one better lawyer or assistance social, whatever. Make you analyze everything for them. Then go support you. Okay, my sister. And if possible, that money, if you get all that money that you can use, now go to a good bank, a better bank. Tell them, say you get this block of thing. Say you want invest and make they grow. If you don't want to spend that anyhow, put your children name as whatever. Say anything happen, make them give them. I beg, sister. More will do better. More no they bring any mongo pack enter house. I beg. Because he go they get nice to you. You come start to they cook some more, they cook all the thing. So whatever, more than not they bring them come house. More than that they bring them come house. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. My opinion. Thank you very much. My opinion. Your opinion is highly valid. Yes, let's move to the next person. Evelyn Gold, you don't talk. Your network is shaking. Evelyn Gold. Okay. Let's see this Evelyn Gold not there since. So we are going to go now to Kat. Are you there? Kat, are you there? Kat, please unmute. Austin, mute your side. We dey hear you. We dey hear your echo. Kat, are you there? Let's say Kat. Let me see. Kat, nothing on mute. Okay. Let's see. You have to send a request again. Probably muting is your problem. Okay, good. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I think we have people on the list that want to come up. Moku, allow those who never still talk, may they still add their opinion. Where is the sister that said bring me up? The sister always say bring me up. Yeah. The sister always say bring me up, you know. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Who's this name? God gave me laughter. Are you there? God gave me laughter. You did there? Please unmute.
Yeah, yes, so I do.
We greet you. Please talk to
us. I greet the house, so good evening.
The house greet you. Please talk to us.
I say my your contribute small.
Go on.
Madam, we get me bring this matter come. I beg go. Save your money, oh. Hey. I bet save that money, not waste that money. Oh. Not let that man come your place again. Oh. I used God beg you. Just let as the man don't go like that, go meet the brother. You let her go like that. Take care of your children. Marriage not dey there. Oh. Hey. Marriage no your dey this place at all because not be woman they use the money till they do marriage. Now man they work, he go gather money, go say I want pay my wife bride price. Now when he don't arrange everything finish, now woman go say okay my husband now wetin I fit still do for my side na be this so now wetin me see for marriage I beg save that money. That money is a lot of is a lot of money. If you give that man that money, I swear to God, you not see that man again. That man go block you for everywhere. You know if you reach him again because he don't already collect that money. I bet share your eye, open your eye. Oh. That's why not good. That's why let's talk and say no invest with man. Oh. Me, I said this I not fit invest with any man. Never. Even though say put money, even though say if you pay my bride price self, I not fit even invest with everybody. Invest your own, I invest my own. I beg. I use God beg you, mother, keep that money. That money is very important. Keep all the money when you don't spend, all the food when you don't eat. That use and take cover am. Even though say now let that small one you see. I beg. Use and cover am. Use God beg you. I beg, madam. Just so we keep that money. Now let wait till I get to tell you be that. I beg. Man wey fit talk say small children go dey pay house rent. A man wey really love woman, he no go tell you say another children when you fair born before they go pay house rent. Never. As he love you, na so he go love your children. Now wetin miss you. This man, he no just love you at all. He come for mission. So he don already collect wetin he come for. So that small one wey still reach your hand, hold am, put am for your pocket, tie am, not give am more. I just got beg you. Now with my contribution be that. Thank you very much.
Thank you. God
I
bless
leave the
you.
house.
Thank you. Thank you.
God bless you, madam. See why?
Now, good evening,
At the rush, go
everybody.
post office.
Sweet banana, good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good afternoon.
Go on, see why we dey here. We dey hear you. Go on. God bless you.
Small thing to talk about for this issue. God go bless you, auntie. Wait till I get to talk and to tell the lady say, at first, I not judge you, but I go see say you make it very
See why
big
we not dey hear
mistake.
you well. Oh, you use pillow cover your head.
No, I get cough.
You say you get cough. Oh yeah, come closer to your phone. You like let's say you did far.
Okay. You dey hear me
Hey,
now,
we dey
abi?
hear you now. You say, huh?
Okay,
Yes.
I just get small thing to talk about for this issue.
Yeah,
Is
go
that
on.
I no go judge this lady, but I just get one or two words for her. She made a very big mistake because man wey wan support you now once you take dey know them. Some go say man after they beat me maybe you go change tomorrow. My dear, don't tell you say no go, you no go fit change because when he don't give you that angle. If you let me beat you, you born the 10 children for this life for that man, he will continue to he gonna beat you every day. Because when you feel say our mindset be say they go change, they no go change because when I don't start them already. You don't even think say this kind of person I be. Number one aspect. Number two, as a single mother of 1, 2, 3, your face thinking or your face, wetin your face put for your mind, not be to born again at first.
See why? Wait till do your network. Oh, we not dey hear you well.
You hear me now?
Yes.
I say anybody may not feel accept you as a woman, as a single woman. You know if you accept your children. Is impossible. So at first, you know say that man, so you know get that love. Because go say you want to love your children. Impossible. The man not fair love you. Because let's say I want to start to love your children. So now man maybe say no get sympathy, we no get heart. Now go see because of I want to pay house rent, make the children also they pay house rent. How which now you get those children? You go say me those children, they pay us rent. And you forget, say now the woman fed they carry you along. Now fed they help you before. You guys go help man rich. You see and say, no improve of change. You as a woman, you go change. So that the man go know say, this woman change. Oh. See the reason why he change. Probably the man go change, follow you as you take change. Now so it's supposed to be. Say you just they do one because of say love sake. My sister, sorry. You're not supposed to be so. Now equal. They say energy. The energy may your husband give you. Now you, as a woman, go give the man also. Passion no day. Because me, I get from him say, guess one picking another woman gets. He tell me say, get person when they follow. I tell him say, never born for him. Fear that first. Really, it was every week you go carry that picking out. Every week, you know, they miss him. You don't born 3 children for the man now. They are you don't go ever no say, no be that man born that picking. Never. If they not tell you, you no go know. That is a responsible man. Why they talk these things that this thing they happen, my important say, but this topic today, you ain't bring. Anybody maybe say go fall for this kind of thing, that person, you just get here for nothing. You just they list it for nothing, but in mind, no day. In mind, no day. How you got that money until you beg? No try and not think if they sleep, say you dreamer. Get up, wash your face. Wash your face for that dream. Say life. And as everybody don't talk so, no accept that man. With now how we talk. No be say you're for our back now, you go say meet that man. Yes. Apply wisdom in all you do. How which you apply wisdom at first. I don't think you get the wisdom. Like you invite Holy Spirit, you invite God to intervene for the at first before you born for this man. God for open your eyes. Say that man, he come for mission. And what I get be that. And that money, not give them. Not try him.
Madam C, why you don't finish?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Nice one for your submission. Obiole. Saloboa.
Yes, sir. Una good
Please talk to
afternoon.
us. Yes, go on.
Una good afternoon. Uh, this our sisters. Some single mothers that they cause problem to themselves. What you not say you not tolerate for the man when you born for, or may you call your husband. You see and say you not fit. That thing walk by you now you come out for inside. As you can't see her take come out for inside the marriage. You not suppose may you go continue that life again. At least once it don't do, you suppose may use the second one take get sense. Why you go they cook? They use your children money, they cook. You as a single mother, they cook for one man. Because the man they knock you. Because of maybe say you want pepper your hair's baby father. No, now your life now matter. Now your life now important. And the children. Because you see and say you don't want me your children suffer. You see and say you don't want me your children see all those kind of things. That make you come out. Nah. You they carry a man. Maybe say as in I don't know how to talk man make the package. Because some men they package them. Their head not correct, so they'll package and they'll come give you. You could have seen a husband and he come. Your girlfriend can't package and one now. He can't give you. You not even look your mistake, second mistake, before you enter. You want me your girlfriend give you, may you know say the package and one come. You just see enter, you just see bon put. That one for inside, that money matter. So maybe say the man, why you go there? You put the man for us. You say 1 month, 2 months. You dey see K leg. And maybe the man they draw small thing. May not be like say I not drop oh, and your expenses big pass. You never even enter the marriage oh. Just say I help you first. You go work and hard, may go stay with your friends. Your house not be where maybe say you go so as you help her, the man He head not dey well, you go work and hard me go stay with your friend, so that he go from there they praise you for outside. Don't say maybe say you can't leave the man for your house, you can't see bomb put. My sister, now you made big mistake. Oh. And there's some men, now go know say the woman a single mother. Una will talk say una will fit. Me when I know fit oh. If na kpekus na dey find, me I don't say na kpekus na what they do oh. Now that's how they do the kpekus, they do the gbola, the journal. The single mother go understand. Una go know say na to shop each other. You understand me so? And there's some women, they go say no. To me they do, they repair man. Like kpekus me they do, they repair man. If the woman not maintain the kpekus, you just say you want go do. I don't know why some women they give their kpekus free. You understand me so? Some women that be the problem of themselves too. You gonna give kpekus, you gonna give her free to the man. It like na your husband. It like na in a month, your husband go tell say take 100 euro, take 50 euro. You go see if you take bet until take cover that place. I beg our ladies, some of our single mothers, I beg. Me not try. Me not see if that thing they scratch you, look for person. Because no why, like Amazon, I know they recommend that one for woman. Find person, maybe say go, they help you the marshal. It's more better because Amazon now, you know they touch up. You know they touch another place. Another place now you want the sugar and they put. You bless you, they waste your time. You understand me so? Or now you can't know as you want to help yourself. Let's look for person because now person and person that they see. Don't they see wound a person? Now be that one. Well, now thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, madam, for your submission. Guys, we dey here. Everybody dey here. We come here, come learn. Everybody get their submission and advice. Take the one way work for you. The one way you not work for you. You leave one for our hosting table. Make us carry they go. Yes, good. We have new people in the house. There is a Destiny and there's Precious. Precious. Destiny, hold on. Precious, go on.
Okay, una good afternoon. For me, I don't really come here to judge the woman. The only advice one get for the woman, she don't already made the mistake. So make she move on with her life and make she not give that man any money. So now what I get to tell the woman be that. Then for my own side, I want to talk because a lot of single mother like me they here. Understand? So most still learn from that one. It that way me never born. I feel they carry pot up and down they cook for mouth. So maybe they born, me know they cook for mouth again. I know they cook for mouth is when I take born. If I want fear and damaka, I will carry my pikin, go give I feel go give nanny. I go chop prickle, I want chop, I come back. So single mother, I don't know they allow me they come on a house. But now they let them they come on a house. Amazon did themselves. Because these single men, if you never born for them, they never chop your pekus, they do like better person. No man go fit carry pikin when not born as their own pikin, never. I don't say someday, but inside 1 million, only 2 go feed one. Exactly. Only 2 like go feed one. Ask me your bill, so when me don't born, I would use me like they call Ipa Domosa. Ask me born, so ask not born, so I don't born pikin, me no they marry again for life. Meanwhile, they use the like rag. So that will be single mother way they fuck up. Wanna calm down, all this make goes for my hand though. Me is a Louis and who now what me you get to talk. Me don't born. I know they born again, I know they marry again. They go suffer. So now what I want to talk. Now good afternoon. Bye bye.
Sword the wemure Precious is sword. Now sword you carry come. You say why is a Louis and you go use them where? Okay. For those that are watching, make una go a page, make una go look up. Muna no say she carry sword. Muna no say she carry sword.
And then post office laugh what came in for me.
She carry sword. She said she go use now bazooka self. So if you go there, if your skin not put body, yes. I beg me the next person talk. Who be the next person self? Destiny. Destiny, go on.
Wahala.
Destiny, you did there? Destiny, on mute.
Oh, say I said the question. I don't fair talk. Oh, I don't fair talk. I don't know. Na mistake.
You don't fair talk. You don't fair talk before. Yes,
I
I
don't fair
remember.
talk since. I don't know.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, not for talk. I remember. So if everybody don't finish, when I do well, we want to talk again. Make quick talk on because I think we don't try for the day. Madam, you don't hear everybody don't talk. People when they this platform they're very, very intelligent. Go this comment section. They're
Brother
very, very
Austin, good
intelligent.
afternoon. Call me abeg when you don't finish.
I'll call you, Mama.
I never reach out, though I dey road.
Okay, I'll
Thank
call you.
you.
No
Bye.
wahala, Mama. Bye bye. Thank you.
You get wetin I wan talk. You know the one wey I hear wey dey say dey find as e wan take put her money for bank. For me, my own submission for there is that if the children reach 2 or 3, you fit split am for each of their account. You go still carry a lot because if you put am for one, they no agree. Maybe you put maybe if the money, I don't know how much, if you reach like 30, 10 for year, 10 for year, 10 for year. So you fit still do am like that. E go be like say you share am for the children, but e go dey the account. Na only you dey control am. You understand me so? So you fit still do am like that. If you get any money wey you feel say you wan go keep for bank, split am for the children
I
account. E
think
go be like
we
say na
have
the children.
new people. Let them talk about the topic so we can know where we are. You know,
Okay, sir.
we have new people coming up.
Thank you, sir.
Let's focus on the topic so that we can know our next level. You know, please go. So play, you and Port every day now. The fact you
Yes,
and Port
hello.
every
Wow.
day you must fight Port every day. I don't understand. Every day they cook.
Oh, don't vex. I don't know. Sorry, sir. I need to cook that person with children. Every time person they dey kitchen. Good afternoon. I greet you now. I don't
Yeah,
know
good
the
afternoon.
topic. I need the year Amazon. The year the year go collect
Now,
for.
let here for inside.
Oh, so this your student they ash you. Oh, na ash. I greet you now, sir. Sweet banana. I greet all of them. Mommy Benny don't come out. Mommy Davis, Mommy Dorothy, I greet you now. Good afternoon. I don't follow topic. I just dey come from work. When I no vex.
No wahala.
Hello,
Everywhere.
sir.
Today topic is very important so that people will learn from it. Very, very
Yes.
important, you know.
Mommy Benny.
Good afternoon, sister.
So all of una do well, una do well, una do well.
Sir, I want to talk one thing, abeg, no vex.
I beg God, don't invest the money back home. Who they talk that one, invest the money back home. All of us will invest back, all of us they regret. Don't invest the money back home.
No invest back home, oh.
Don't
If
invest that
they-
money back home. Oh. Don't try it, okay?
that is backwardness.
Don't invest the money back home. Don't do it. Don't do it, please. Don't do that, okay? If you live here in Germany, last 2 Sunday I came here to tell most of you that if you live here in Germany, you want to save money for yourself and for your kids, just contact me, inbox me, okay? Inbox me, that is it. It's guaranteed, it's 100% sure for you. Which kind of home? All of us when we go home, go do something for home. Would they regret all these things? I beg. Mommy, that is you want to talk? Continue.
I want to talk one thing. Abeg, I want to tell people, if you know, say, I know say so many women wey be say that they fight against all these things. That they call them, wetin this one they call me?
Let the phone.
Feminist. If you know say that they call you feminist, abeg, make you strong well. You understand? And I want to say something. Marriage no dey complete anybody. For you wey dey FYP now, wey dey happy say you wan marry. I know say marriage no good though, but marriage does not complete you. If you are not complete as a single person, marriage no fit complete you. Not because say you marry, not be make am say you go dey happy. Not because say you marry, not be make am say your joy and everything go dey complete. If you no get joy before you enter marriage, you no fit give any person joy. So find yourself first. Find where you are. Find your happiness. Find you first before you think of say you want enter marriage. No let anybody come tell you say I want marry you. Born for me. That's the trick they are using now.
So you know say you be single mother. Hey, I want marry you. I want go see your family. You yourself, you yours dey happy. Madam, na that one really dey important for you. Look yourself round. Na that marriage really dey important. How do you feel when this man come? How this man say they talk to you? You never have to evaluate those things because the man just talk say, I want to go see your family. Even some of us even said, our parents go dey tell us say, you know when this man say they talk for phone. This man not gonna be good man. We'll say no, we not marry because they classify Europe women say they're not good, they not get character. Who tell you? Say Europe women not good. Who tell you? Like this video this morning. As a good woman needs good man to take survive. These cannot work together except they agree. If you be woman, you not meet good man. You go turn to bad a good cloth wey go wrong tailor hand. If you be good woman, you not meet good man. You go turn to cloth, better cloth wey go wrong tailor hand. Tailor go use scissors take pieces am. Na so it be. If you are a good woman and you meet good man, now you go fit build good home. If you are a good woman, my sister, he go turn you to say you can't be that kind of bad person where people you yourself you can't even dey imagine say na because they behave like this. It's not your fault. Now that man I turn you like that. So why are you not sad because your sister marry, you never marry? Wetin dey make you dey sad? Wetin dey make you dey put hand for your job, dey cry every day? Say sister Simbi marry yesterday, I never marry. They call me single mother, single mother. My dear, do you know how many married women? And yes, just that way we dey talk about digging. Say because of that one. You know how many women dey husband house? Wey be say that they go dey beg their man, make their man come do. They go dey beg man say, I beg on Nina. You know say I don't care where I dey go when I want go do. I beg come do now. The man go able to tell you say, I beg carry your hand because I say not touch me.
What did they do?
They do. Now the women that they beg the man make come do. The man go like that for bed, he go back them. Some of them, the children when they get now God's grace. Now they take get some. You may get single, you dey cry say they dey with man. Whereas now so many of us, now we dey beg our man make come do. Now you go dey beg, and you will dey alone. You dey cry say, I wish I dey with man now. Call yours day. You go dey alone. You go dey with man. You go dey wear stockings, they sleep. You go dey wear jacket, they sleep. You go dey feel cold. You dey with man. Una dey the same bed. You go back you go back him. If you say you near, I go push you come out. You call and you they say you never marry. You they sad. You they compare yourself with those one. When you see them for outside, they go they smile. They go they smile. You go they say, oh, I wish I no cry. Me they tell you now say so many women when they dark like this, they go put their pillow, tears they soak them. They marry. What of the ones when we accept ourselves, when we say, man go they come house, your heart go fly, you start to they arrange everything. You don't know what thing you go do wrong now. When this man will complain, put. Your heart go fly. You will start to they arrange everywhere. You go start to do this one. You go do this one. Or what of the one where be say, you go want to embrace your husband for the month as they come. Honey, welcome. May you kiss him. You go carry your mouth full for one corner. And you are crying. You they cry, say, you not there with man. Madam, you are better off. You are better than so many of us married women when they outside there. You are better. I don't want me to look yourself, they sad. I want me to tell yourself, say you are better. You are better. Women, especially those one wey go come your front, they tell you say, my husband, madam, go check where that foundation wey put for eye, slap there inside wey don't give her black hair. So they use foundation say they cover and come they tell you, or use Weavon take cover one side, come they tell you story. Please, I am not trying to encourage a single mother or single father, or no, but I'm trying to say, if you deal with the wrong person, staying alone is better. Staying alone is better. I'm not making anybody make you feel say you not be good person. Because if you say you bad, if you meet good person, go still change you as a woman. But if the woman wey good, you meet bad man, hey, you no fit change am. You no fit change am. Bad man go be always bad man. And above all, madam, if you wan marry any man again, or you wan even enter, you never marry, you go see man wey be say you no love him mama, you no get anybody wey dey fear for him family. Abeg run for your dear life. If you marry man, you wan marry am, you go ask am say, what about your mom? You go say, I no wan dey talk about my mother. Madam, carry your leg, your slippers, put am for your head, use am run. No marry that kind of a man. Man wey be say you no fit trust anybody to, wey you go fit advise am say, honey, which person you dey fear for your family? You no get anybody. Him na everybody dey fear am. Madam, run. That relationship is not for you. Because at the end of the day, that no will be your own. Not say, make I just stay after my husband not like a family. So family member no come disturb me. Madam, you go come. You come meet my uncle, make it settle your case that time. Now we go come cure your sadness that time. You go come here. If you are married to somebody wey be say e no get respect for im mama, na wrong direction na you just enter. Man wey no get respect for im mama, e no get respect for you. E no go get respect for you. E no go let you respect you. Before you talk, people say you go even curse your mama, curse your papa. So my sister, my lady, we are one. Please don't ever think about and say because you not married, now make you take this position. Work hard on yourself, fight for yourself. Single mother they buy house. Single, let they see at this day say single mother when they abandon, you don't buy house. No, they use that say they do practice with the change men. I want practice and say I don't get another man. No, as mommy said talk. Go and buy a house. Buy a house, may see, I go say, I wish I know. He get one American person where he say they're divorced. He got that house for front of that person. He put that house where they do fuck you. He put her for up. He put her face that partner. You see, I say that kind one. Now if you pay back, not say you go carry another man. No. If you want to do as we always said, yeah, go. You know what to do. Go to Duvaga, come back house. Not they bring them come again. They not watch them. You are valued. You stay responsible. Not let any man turn you to irresponsible. I love you. See you in my next one. Uncle, thank you. Uncle they on call. So, mommy, good, Ziabi. Do you have anything to say? Or mommy Dorothy? Okay, mommy, you can speak. Guide Ziabi, good.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma.
How is everything? I'm enjoying your topic since.
Not be like that. They don't do things like that. You know, now offend profile for platform. When I call they coming for phone, I bring when I come up. It doesn't work like that, bro. You understand? It doesn't work like that. Which will be not vest. You tell me that's not vest for here, but for platform, they don't say they beg me and say make I not vest. When they tell them make una the control na temper. Now they here.
Put that for platform, man. I'm not saying me not vest. Put that for platform.
I bet later, my brother. Don't worry. They will come here, come to finish, and they will offend all of them finish. Then they will come for back, come they beg. Huh? It doesn't work like that. That's when you talk to that, then now when you talk to that, then now. If you see me say I carry you climb up for here, now the person will feel offended. You will feel offended. You know, it's like that. This platform, we don't have to play with anybody. If you come platform, then maintain yourself. Maintain yourself, respect people. Very, very important. Your opinion matters. But when you call it cost people, you call it like they want to insult people when they husband has. Or people when married men when get wife for us. One call it disrespect them. So from then I will come put you for one side. You understand? We'll not be for here, we'll not define 200 followers they go for here. Our message, they go very far. They go very, very far. You understand? And brother, remember for your suspension first. They don't suspend you. Don't mean suspend you. And the platform suspend you. Me, I'm not bigger than the platform.
Come, Nikki.
Hello, bros. I beg send me your number, I beg.
Now, see, if you wait, the mona mute now.
Nikki.
Mona mute, oh, I beg. We dey hear wetin you dey talk, oh. Mute your side. Yo, Woko. Mama, don't get too sister, Mama Queen.
Always wait for me, okay? Don't go outside like that, okay?
Sister Brown, what you will do, if I tell you I will remember after the broker and I lie, what you will do, just send me your number. Just send me your number, okay? Send me your number for inbox. I'll contact you for WhatsApp, okay? Send me your number for inbox. I'll contact you for WhatsApp, so I don't forget. Suspension to air my view. Okay, now you just write this thing now. Person when they for FYP or when they pass, will say they suspend you because you air your view. It's a lie. Not because you air your view. You were trying to insult a married woman. Yes. You were trying to insult a married woman. Okay? You use direct words. And first of all, use indirect words and later use direct words. And you know very well, we don't tolerate that here in this platform. Okay? So you must not contribute. You must not talk. You must not advise if you don't know how to talk in public. At least people will not talk sis. The woman don't even pick a lot. You understand? And may you go meet your God now. May the suspense for that. Since you see your God, a good like that. No wahala. Thank you. So if you want to talk anything, make you let. If you want to talk anything, make you maybe they laugh.
Now God maybe they talk before, uncle.
Okay, never talk sis.
I don't know.
It's like God, you never talk. Unmute your side, let's see.
I never talk since, so good afternoon.
Talk now. Talk now. One most close. Oh.
Okay, may I just throw some little words? That woman, she be try for herself based on say she be the first father where go father her children, but it's unfortunate say things can't turn out like that. You understand? For that reason, let her just stay alone and take care of her kids. When you want to do vaga, if you do vaga, enjoy yourself in your house, because some men are not dying for. They don't want it. You understand me? So man, when say me woman go gather money to pay dowry for her head, that means the man